Hello, students. Okay, Miss Chia and I are going to explain to you how we're going to work on our collaboration assignment today. And you are going to go to your period 1-5 ELD3. Once you get there, you're going to go to you're going to go down to collaborations right here. You're going to click on collaborations and you're going to get this screen, current collaborations. It'll say ELD3 course norms. You're going to click on that. When you click on that, it will open up a new window for you with a PowerPoint that we're going to be working on. Now, it might take us a while, so Ms. Chia and I are doing this so that we don't all have to be waiting for everybody to log in. You're going to be doing this asynchronously. Once you get your PowerPoint, it'll look like this. What I need you to do is I need you to go to Edit Presentation, and you're going to edit in browser. Okay, you're going to click on Edit in browser. And once you click on Edit in browser, it's going to open up yet another window for you. And this work that you do with whatever partner you get, you're going to have one slide that is dedicated just for you and your partner. Okay, Ms. Chia and I already started working on our sample slide. As you can see right here, you see this RS? That shows me that Ms. Chia is already here. Okay, it's very important that you do not touch any of these two slides because these are our main slides and you have no business touching them. You're only going to be working on your slide. See, you see another little square right here that tells me that Ms. Chia is there. So, hey, Ms. Chia, how are you? Okay, so Ms. Chia is on Teams. So you and your partner can both be in Teams. You can open up a Teams chat and even a Teams meeting with your partner. It won't be the same video class meeting. You'll open up a new Teams meeting. And then you're going to talk about the questions in your slide. Okay, so we are looking at our slide. And one of the things that Ms. Chia and I decided to talk about is let's add a picture of what is one thing that we need for our learning. So I chose a quiet space, a comfortable space, and I guess Ms. Chia has the same need. She wanted a quiet space too. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is, we're going to take off sample. And then the way this works is you have 3 questions and we're going to talk about them. And then you're going to take the questions off and do your slide. So, Ms. Chia, why is it important to have norms in our virtual classroom? Why do you think? Okay. And you see, as she was talking, I wrote down what she said. Okay. And now, Ms. Chia, maybe you write down what I say. What do we need to have a good learning environment? I think one of the important things for a good learning environment is participation. Even if you want to say pass, you have to participate. You have to answer questions, whether the questions are from your teachers or from your student peers. So I would say participation and answering questions. Being present, I guess, is another way. So that's what I say. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. Okay, you're going to talk over with your partner the questions. When one of you is talking, the other one can be typing. Okay, you're going to have 4 questions, and then you're actually going to have to come up with 3 norms that you think are important for us to have for our class. And here is where You have to constantly communicate with each other. So Ms. Chia, I'm going to add a text box, okay? And it's important for you to communicate because that way you're not both doing the same thing at one time. All right, so I'm going to add a text box and I'm going to say, let's see, what are the 3 norms that we want to have, Ms. Chia? And then what is one thing that we need for our class to be good, for our class to make sure that we're all learning? The green one, yeah, we could have 2 text boxes. How about we do that? How about you write 1 norm in the text box that you made, and I write 1 norm in the text box that I made, and then we'll add another text box and we'll do our next norm. And then we'll decide whether we want to add a picture or something. Okay, so as you can see, Ms. Chia and I are working here. We're talking about what we want to do, and then we're going to complete our slide. Okay, your slide has to have your name and your partner's name. It has to have some images, and it needs to have the 3 norms that you came up with. Okay, I'm hoping this will help you. If you need us, you can always come back to Teams and send us a message. Bye. Want to say bye, Ms. Chia?